Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your PayPal without a bank account or a credit card. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, just click on the sign up option. And from here, you can choose the personal or business. And by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Okay, so verifying your PayPal account typically involves linking it to a bank account or a credit card. However, if you do not have any access to either of these options, there are alternative methods you can use to verify your account. Now, number one is you can use some prepaid cards that can be used to verify PayPal accounts. Make sure the prepaid card is eligible for online purposes and obviously has sufficient funds to cover any verification charges. I suggest you go here on this website called PST or Pay Store Transfer. It's a digital prepaid card that you can use and just follow the same process as adding a debit or credit card, and PayPal may send a verification code or make a small transaction to confirm ownership. I suggest you go here. As you can see, there's a lot that you can do using the PST prepaid digital online card. Now, you need to go back to your PayPal, which is from here, just go to the wallet and link that card, which is the PST, to your PayPal. It's a prepaid digital card. Now, from here, all you have to do is select the card that applies to the PST. That's going to be the prepaid card, and you just need to provide the expiration date and the security code. Be ready with the account number because we will be receiving a confirmation email or a OTP code for that to seamlessly integrate your PayPal card to your prepaid. All right. The next step is you can simply go to the PayPal Help Center, wherein just tell them your situation that you are wanted to verify your PayPal account without a bank or credit card. Now, these are the channels that you can contact them, but I suggest you call the numbers that is available to your region. All you're gonna do when you call PayPal customer service and you wanted to verify your PayPal account without a bank or credit card, give them the one-time passcode, and these are the numbers that they are available. Or alternatively, chat with a PayPal assistant, especially for an agent, by clicking on the option down here. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.